In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send PayPal money to a phone number. To follow along, make sure you already have a PayPal account set up and that you're signed in on your computer or mobile browser. You'll also want to have the recipient's correct phone number ready, including the country code if they're in a different country. When you're ready, let's get started. First, go to your PayPal dashboard. This is your main PayPal home screen, where you can see your balance, recent activity, and linked accounts. If you're not there already, simply sign in and you should land on your account summary page. Take a second to confirm you're on the right account, especially if you manage more than one. From the dashboard, look for the option that says Send and Request. This is the section you use for sending money to other people or asking them to pay you. Click on Send and Request to open the payment screen. On the next page, you'll see a field where you can enter the details of the person you want to pay. Instead of typing an email address, type the phone number you want to send money to. Be sure to include the full number exactly as the person gave it to you, and double check it for any typos. Sending to the wrong number can mean the money goes to someone else's account, so it's worth taking a moment to verify. Once you've entered the number, PayPal will show an option that says something like Send to, followed by the phone number you just typed. Click on that option to confirm that this is the contact you want to pay. If the number is linked to a PayPal account, you may also see the person's name appear, which is a good way to confirm you've got the right recipient. Next, enter the amount you want to send. Check the currency and the total, and be aware that PayPal might show you any fees or conversion details if you're sending internationally. Make sure everything looks correct before you move on. Below the amount, you'll see a field where you can add a note. Click into the Add a Note field and type a short message, like what the payment is for. This is optional, but it's helpful for both you and the recipient to keep track of the reason for the transfer. When you're happy with the amount, the recipient's phone number, and the note, review the summary one last time. Then click on Send to complete the payment. PayPal will process the transfer, and the recipient will be notified through their PayPal account or via the phone number you used. And that's all you need to do to send PayPal money to a phone number.